Want to know how to create a story on your Facebook page? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. And I'm also already onto my Facebook page. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on your profile picture of your Facebook page. Below here you can see an addition icon. Tap on it. You'll be popped out with three of the options: create story, view profile picture, and choose new profile picture. Tap on create story. Choose one of the picture from your gallery that you want to keep as your story on your Facebook page. I am randomly going to select one and then tap on share now on the bottom right. You can also make some edits if you want to. So you can go to your profile and then tap on your profile picture next to your username and see that you have successfully uploaded your particular story and created one. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.